Hi guys, this is Jet, and today we are going to create another cool planner page in Canva. It's an easy one and you can use whatever graphic images that you like, may it be from Canva or other sources. By the way, if you're new to my channel, a huge welcome, and I mostly create planners, journals, trackers, and the likes, and if that's your thing, then please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload one of these videos. Now let's get started. So I've created this page earlier and we're going to recreate this one. So I'm just going to go ahead on File and Home, and then I'll go to Create a Design, Custom Size. You can choose whatever size that you like. I'll just use inches here and there'll be 6 by 9. You can choose letter size, which is 8.5 by 11, and create new design. So now I have this. I'll just make it a little bit bigger. So now I'll just hit T on my keyboard and that will give me the text, or you can also go to text and choose the text here. So it's going to be morning. I'll make it bigger and just drag it over here. I'll change the font. You can do whatever font you like. I'm going to hit T again, change the font to playlist. Oops. Ritual. Okay, then drag it here, center it. Now I'll just highlight this and I'm going to change the color to something a little bit lighter. Now that I have that, I'm just going to drag this by holding the Alt or Option key on my keyboard to duplicate. You can also do Control C and Control V, the usual. First, we have the gratitude. I'm going to change this to medium, Poppins, and to that. So make it 11, and then drag this again. 3 things you are thankful for today. Change this to maybe 9, and enter. And then just make it there. Now I'm going to go to Elements. And then I'm going to choose Moon, or choose whatever graphics that you like. And let's see, I'd like this one. Make it smaller. Put it here. It should be okay. And then I'll use this line shapes and resize it. So, and then I'm going to change the color to that brown color. It actually takes the color from your image. And then maybe 24. Then I'm just going to highlight everything and then drag it by holding the Alt or Option key. Then I'm going to change this to 16. It's going to create like a gradient type. Then drag this again. Then make this maybe 10. Oops. All right. There you go. So I can group this, highlight everything, and hit Control G or Command G on your keyboard. And then select everything, position, and tidy up. That will give us a very perfect alignment. Now I'm going to use this, resize this one, something maybe this big, then change the color to this. It's the same with this color. And I'm going to go to my elements again, and graphics, I'll just see all. And magic recommendations, I'm going to go see all, and then I'm just going to choose maybe, let's see, this one. It's nice. I'll change this to white, resize this, and then drag this over here. Okay, that looks great. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this again. I'm grouping this so I can put them here. Let's drag this here. And I can drag this here. Okay, then change this to affirmation. Clearing your goals or whatever you want to put on this one. Okay. Now I can change this. Just have to ungroup this one and select this. And I'd like to have this. I'll delete this one. Change the color to white. Then resize. And voila. Maybe this one would look great on brown too. But anyway, let's do this again. And go. Can delete that and select this one, change to white, there, that should be perfect. And this would be intentions, 3 things that you would like to manifest. Alright, just align them. Now I want this. Ungroup. Over there, and ungroup that. Then stretch it out. Group it. Oh, that should be okay. To-do list. And I'm going to use this and this. Put it right here. This would be reflections. Okay. I'm just gonna duplicate that one. Okay, so now I think we are done. This is how it looks, and you can download it. I would recommend the PDF print because it's high quality in a multi-page document. So just click on that one and hit download and you're good to go. And that's it for today. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the subscribe, like, share buttons, and I truly appreciate your support. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you again on the next video. Bye!